I am going to do my hair. I figured I would record it because I haven't recorded anything in a long time and I want to show you what I'm doing. Now usually I'm a twist out girl. If you follow me on Instagram, you know twist outs are my thing. But I'm trying to expand a little bit. This time I'm gonna do a braid out. Wow, groundbreaking. So I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Twisting Souffle. I've used them before for my twist out, really liked it, so I'm gonna use it for my braid out. I'm doing this on freshly washed hair, which is usually also how I do my twist outs. I washed, deep conditioned. I'm going to apply the leave-in kind of just like all over the place in large sections, and then I'm gonna go ahead and braid it. And I'm going to be watching Love Island USA while I do my hair, so if I'm making faces, that's why. So one of the reasons why I do twist outs more frequently than braid outs, I find I braid so slowly. I don't know why. It's just like my hands don't work that way. So I usually do twist outs. It's a lot quicker. They last longer, and I kind of just like the way it looks in between. I don't mind wearing twists, but I feel like when my hair's in braids, I can't like do anything with it, if you know what I mean. So in this case, it's almost the weekend already, so I'm gonna take the braids out pretty soon. So it doesn't matter if I look like a dork for 2-3 days. Okay, so there's my hair with just the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. All right, so here is my braid out. It turned out good. It just takes a bit more time than a twist out, but I think it looks good. I got pretty good definition. Here's my son, by the way. I forgot to say hi, Tristan. Hi, 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 hi. Yeah, I was a little bit heavy-handed with the product at the front, so I got a little bit of flaking. So if you use it, don't use as much as I used, you know? You don't have to. What else? I think that's it. I will link the products I use down below. We'll see how long this lasts. Maybe I'll do braid outs more often. I don't know. Only time will tell. I do like that it's a lot more long. Wow. Yeah, so I feel like it has a good stretch. And it's just nice. You can kind of see the color because of the waves in the hair. Anyway. Yeah. Anything else? Okay. Bye.